super confused. There's the room left. Oh. Hi. She said to me she's looking for you. She is. That's so mean.
Are you ready for today's lesson?
Yes, sir!
Then listen to your father and repeat after me. I won't grow up.
I won't grow up.
I don't want to go to school.
I don't want to go to school.
Just to learn to be a parrot.
Just to learn to be a parrot.
And recite a silly rule.
And recite a silly rule.
If growing up means it would be beneath my dignity to climb a tree,
I'll never grow up. Never grow up. Never grow up.
not me.
Not I.
Not me.
Not me.
I won't grow up.
I won't grow up.
I don't want to wear a
I
tie.
don't want to wear a tie.
Or a serious expression.
Or a serious expression.
In the middle of July.
In the middle of July.
And if it means I must prepare to shoulder burdens with a worried air,
I'll never grow up. Never grow up. Never grow up.
not me.
Not I. Not me.
So there. Never gonna be a man.
I won't.
Like to see somebody try.
And make me.
Anyone who wants to try and make me turn into a man. Catch me if you can. I won't grow up.
I won't grow up.
I will never even
I
try.
will never even try.
I will do what Peter tells me.
I will do what Peter tells me.
And I'll never ask him why.
And I'll never ask him why.
We won't grow up.
We won't grow up.
We will never grow a
We
day.
will never grow a day.
And if someone tries to make us,
If someone tries to make us,
we will simply run
we
away.
will simply run away. I won't grow up.
I won't grow up.
Though I promise that I won't. I promise that I won't. I will stay a boy forever. I will stay a boy forever.
And be banished if I don't.
And be banished if I don't. Never grow up, never grow up, never grow up. Not me, not me, not I. I won't.
No, sir.
Not me.
It's cute.
Bye, Lucy.
A lot of shout outs.
Awesome.